Hello guys, and welcome to another UK Card Club unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing this package from Vanishing-Inc. Quite a lot easier to get into the shop, unlike some of the other videos. Excited about this one. So I'll take them out one at a time and stick them on the table. So first we have the bicycle hybrid. Now that is so nice. And this actually looks like it's cut out, but it's not. So yeah, I'm really excited about these. Happy days. Next we have the red mail chimps. Now I saw someone post a really rare deck of these, like 1 of 100 or something like that. I just fell in love with them, so I'm really glad to have got these. The red just looks fantastic. I'm not sure about opening these, I really like them. That custom monkey seal there, very cool. I'll decide at another time. Next we have Whispering Imps. These are the Workers Edition, much cheaper than the OG one. Oh, there it goes, there's their Workers Edition. Very cool. Wanted a deck of those, so I'm happy. I've just realised that we're 3 decks in and I haven't even turned the light on because it's not plugged in. Give me strength. There you go, now I might be able to see things better. So, next up we have the Memento Mori. I think these are called the NXS. I'm not entirely sure, but the Memento Mori NXS, I think they're called. The Cherry Casino Blacks. I only wanted these really to see what they were like. I'm looking forward to trying them out. I've seen a lot of people that are really happy and impressed with these. Good times. The Superior brand Skull Backs. I don't know what they're actually called. I think these are Skull and Bones back. There we go, Skull and Bones back. I just love that gold foiling. I'm not really sure what the back of the deck's going to look like, whether it's going to be this gold or it's going to be a dulled down version, but these look really sexy. And last but not least, there was actually 8 decks in this slot, but for some reason one didn't get shipped with the rest because it was out of stock, or I'm presuming, or something. But we have some Knock Purples. Now these are the V2s, I believe. They've got the top opening tuck, but I just wanted just a comparison really. I've got a full set of the V3s, but yeah, I just wanted to compare and see what they were like. So there we have it. But yeah, I'm really excited. I've also got a big box here from playingcarddex.com, but I'm going to open that in a separate video in a second, which I'll post probably tomorrow. So another unboxing video coming. But yeah, I'm really excited, especially with these. I'm really looking forward to these. Whispering Imps have been interesting for a while. Memento Mori, I've got the old one, the white ones, but I wanted some of these. And I'm really curious as to how nice these are going to be. So yeah, exciting. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be unboxing, reviewing, looking at something else. Take care.